Hello, I'm Dr. Carlo Adraneda. I'm an ophthalmologist here at Shinagawa LASIK. I usually tell patients na may discomfort during the procedure but mabilis lang naman siya. Aside from LASIK, we also do PRK, photorefractive keratectomy. We do implantable contact lens, refractive lens exchange, and then mga cataract surgery din. Before screening, dapat 1 week na hindi nag-contact lens. At dapat stable na rin yung refraction. Age 18 and above, preferably mid-50s. For the surgery naman, wala na makeup, make sure to wear comfortable clothes during the procedure. Naman, if you want to get better vision, to get more out of life, be more active, hindi ka na restrained ng salamin mo, worth it naman magpa-LASIK. The LASIK procedure is a 10-minute procedure, 5 minutes per eye, or even less paminsan. So it will depend on the relationship of your eye grade with the thickness of your cornea. If pasok ka for LASIK, it means you have enough corneal thickness for the eye grade na tatanggalin natin.